Hello. This video will cover the image adjustments in Praktika's imaging module. Please note that the image adjustments are set per each individual image. They do not affect settings of other images. The adjustments do not change the original image. Instead, they apply image adjustments, transformations and annotations as separate layers that can be activated or deactivated. Part 1. The image view adjustments and transformations. First, go to a patient file and open the imaging module. It can be done either from the patient directory or from the patient summary screen. Double-click on the image thumbnail to open the image for viewing. Once opened, you can start applying adjustments to it. Please note that you can zoom the image in and out at any time by holding the right button of your mouse while moving the mouse up or down. This is particularly useful when you are using other adjustment tools, rather than the zoom ones. That allows you to combine other tools with zoom action at any time. The image adjustments and transformations tools are located in the left side of the image tools panel. They are arranged as view adjustment tools, zoom and pan tools and transformation tools, rotation and flip. To activate a tool, click on it. I will go through the tools one by one from left to right of the panel. Wwwc tool or window width window center tool is a professional computer tomography tool that allows to adjust the image to better view areas of interest. This is the best image analysis tool that combines brightness, contrast, gamma and range extension in one go. It is applied by holding the left mouse button and moving the mouse around the screen to adjust the view. It is often used with the color mapping tool to provide a better visual difference between the neighboring elements of the image. You can always reset your adjustments back to the original state by clicking on the Reset button. The next one is the Wwwc Region tool. It applies automatic level adjustments to the image based on a selected area's color range. To use it, select an area on the image using your mouse. For that, click and hold the left mouse button and draw a rectangular area on your image. Release the button when you achieve the required area. The calculated levels are then applied to the whole image. I will reset the adjustments to the original. If you prefer to adjust the brightness and contrast manually yourself, choose the next tool. Use the sliders in the pop-up sub-panel to make adjustments. By the way, you can still zoom in and out by using the right mouse button while being in this tool as it was stated before. All the adjustments tools can be also used in combination. I will adjust the gamma of the image, while still having the brightness and contrast applied to it. The gamma tool provides gamma correction by changing the highlights, midtones and shadows balance in the image. I will reset the adjustments to the original. The next tool is Inversion. It toggles between the positive and negative views on the image. It can also be used in combination with other tools. The color mapping tool. This tool allows to split the grayscale ranges of X-ray images into color zones to provide a better distinction between various areas. It is a very powerful analysis tool. Praktika provides a set of most commonly used color mapping presets in the computer tomography industry. To remove the maps from the view, you can either reset the image or select None from the Color Maps drop-down. The next tool is Sharpness. Use the pop-up sub-panel slider to adjust the image sharpness. Sharpness can also be used in combination with other tools, like zoom or levels. You may notice that when a tool is activated, its button is highlighted in the Tools panel. That allows you to keep track of what adjustments have been applied to the original image. The next section are zoom tools. It starts with a simple slider adjustment tool. You will need to use a dedicated pan tool to adjust the position of the image on the screen. This tool zooms from the visual center of the image that can be moved with the pan tool. The Zoom with Mouse Wheel tool provides a more convenient zooming option if you have a mouse with a wheel, because it combines zoom and pan tools together. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out from the center of the view area, while you can use the left mouse button dragging to pan the image around the view area. Please note that the right mouse button zoom works from the mouse position over the image, while the left button zoom works from the view center. The Loop tool. It allows you to zoom in a particular area of the image, without a need to zoom the whole image. Please note that the Loop tool applies a zoom factor to the visible part of the image. In other words, if the image is already zoomed in, the loop will provide an extra zoom to the already zoomed areas. The Pan tool. It allows you to adjust the position of the image within the image view area. Transformation tools. The first one is the Rotate Left tool. Each click on the tool button will rotate the image view by an extra 90 degrees anticlockwise. The Rotate Right tool is the opposite of the Rotate Left tool. Each click on the tool button will rotate the image view by an extra 90 degrees clockwise. The Rotate tool. It allows you to rotate the image at any angle. Use left mouse button to rotate the image around the center in the direction of your drag. A useful tip: the further your mouse drag is from the center of the image, the more accurate and precise your rotation will be. The next tool is Flip Vertical. It will mirror the image vertically, which means upside down. The Flip Horizontal tool will mirror the image side to side or along the y-axis. The Reset button can bring the image to its original state. Please note that all the adjustments and transformation can be saved with the image, and they can be applied either on image load or on demand whenever is necessary. For that, click the Save Image Options button in the Tools panel. You may notice that upon the save, the icon of the Load Saved View options turned green. It means that there are adjustments that were saved with the image file and they can be loaded if needed. This concludes part 1 of 2 of the Praktika's image module image adjustments. Thank you for your attention.